One, so, Assam. Good evening, everyone. I am Furkan from Siemens Group of Institute, and today I am going to talk on the topic of file handling. File handling is simply the process of working with files through a program. We can perform different kind of operations such as creation, writing, updates, and deletion. Java program provides several classes and packages for making these operations. First, let us understand what is file handling, or rather why we need file handling. Well, when we create any kinds of program, data is stored temporarily in RAM, but that's temporary. It will be deleted after the program is executed. So we need to permanently store the program from that data. And file handling helps us permanently store those programs so that they will be available even after the program ends. Java IO provides different kinds of classes through which we can perform different operations for the file handling. So this is diagram showing the IO package classes that provided by IO package. That is file, byte streams, character streams, buffer stream, data streams, and there are other streams also. These are the classes that these packages provides. It's an input stream, output stream, file input stream, file output stream, read write as such. Now let us understand how the architecture itself works. When Java program accesses the file, it does not directly access the disk. It first sends request to JVM, then JVM uses the IO package to send the information to operating system and finally accesses the storage devices. Let us start with the file class. File class represents a file or directory. It's important to understand that file object itself does not contain the entire data, but rather it contains the pathway or the information about the file. There are multiple methods provided by file class such as for exist function, create new file functions, delete, length, list, can read, can write. For example, we can create a new file using create new file function, or we can check if existing file is there using exist function. Let us understand how can we create create a file using a program. Here, as I previously mentioned, we use create new file function to create a new file. Let us see with an example. Here's the program. We use file to create an object of the file, and then we created a new file using this name. So this shows already exists. That means I have already created a file named student.txt. Now let's just understand streams. First, we'll talk about byte streams. There are times that I work with binary information such as images or videos or audios. For accessing those kinds of information and data, we use byte streams. Byte streams provide classes such as file input stream or output stream to work with. Let us talk about these classes. First is file input stream. File input stream allow us to read data from a file. We can understand it with an example here. Let us first understand the next class so we can put together through two programs how they work with each other. Second is file output stream. It is used to write data in a file. Now let us see the program to understand them well. Here is an example for output stream. Here we are going to write this string on a file name files that exist in D drive or in a files folder. So it worked. Now let us use file input stream to check if this string has been written there. Here, this is my file input string class. Now this shows the string that we have used file output string to write, and now we can see that this string has been written using that output string. We can check, we have checked through input stream that this string has been written on the file. Now let's go forward. Understand character stream. Now, while we work with byte stream, we also work with characters as few files, or we work with files where characters is present. We might need to work with bulk of characters, so we use character stream to be able to work with large amount of file data in forms of characters. The classes provided through stream package is file reader and file writer. Similarly, file reader is used to read data while file writer is used to write data in a file. We are similarly going to see through the program. Here we are going to simply write this part or this string onto a file, or rather the same file, the file.txt.